started our journey today from a small food corner at Wahkhen Village. We covered a distance of about 30 kilometers to stop here for breakfast. In this video, we will be showing you Mawryngkhang, a bamboo trail trek. We drove our car for about 15 kilometers from Wahkhen towards the quaint village road of Wahkhen. Join us for this trek, which is also known as the most dangerous trek of Meghalaya. The trek of Mawryngkhang is a 1.5 kilometers trek from Wahkhen Village. We are expecting a thrilling trekking experience, and also our excitement is building up slowly and gradually as we are beginning this trek, and the adrenaline rush here is just unmatched. Good afternoon, friends. I am Robin and welcome back to our channel, Travel Cinema Official. Today we are at Mawryngkhang, beginning our bamboo trek trail from this bamboo bridge built across streams which seem to have dried up. Last time we visited this place, we crossed over the stream from this bamboo bridge which seemed to be not in use anymore. This time around, we will be crossing the stream from this iron hanging bridge which seemed to have been built just recently. The flow of the stream has created a natural pool which you can see down there, and people are having a great time swimming over it. This trek is also known as the Bamboo Trail Trek, and it is also considered to be one of the most scariest trek of Meghalaya. This bamboo trail runs along the mountain cliff below the Wahkhen River. On this trail of bamboo, only 5% is allowed to walk at the same time. The highlight of this bamboo trek trail is the stunning viewpoints deep down below which is scattered along the trail. These scenes are truly a sight of splendor, and it also seems dangerous and thrilling to gaze down beneath the bamboo trail. It is trail like these which makes this trek the most scariest trek of Meghalaya, where the bamboo has been tied on a pillar which runs along the cliff of this mountain. As we were approaching near the summit, we could hear the sound of the stream below getting louder and the air getting colder with each step taken forward. Here we are, guys, at Mawryngkhang, which is also known as the King of Stones. This trek can be taken from Wahkhen Village, which is about 2 kilometers away, and you can also travel to this offbeat destination from Shillong, which is approximately about 50 kilometers. We had a late lunch at around 4:30 in the evening at a food joint which was available near the parking place. So that's all, friends, in this video for today. See you soon in a next episode. Thanks for watching.